Hands! Hands now! Put the kid down! Put the kid down! Put the kid down!
On June the 5th, 2023, officers with the Columbus Division of Police were watching the house belonging to the family member of a wanted person. The wanted person is Mr. Jefferson Flores, and he had warrants stemming from a shooting that occurred a few days prior. At about 1:45 a.m., undercover officers watched a vehicle leave the house and confirmed that Mr. Flores was on board. Uniform officers responded to the area and attempted to stop the vehicle, but Mr. Flores refused to stop, and a pursuit began. When Mr. Flores was eventually forced to stop, he cowardly held up his 6-year-old daughter as a shield when officers approached. He was eventually taken into custody and slated at the Franklin County Jail on charges of attempted murder, kidnapping, felonious assault, criminal damaging, and fail to comply.
It is a positive ID on the suspect. Pursuit authorized. That's it. I'm not.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, car. Get your seatbelt on.
Yep.
Dude, who's this?
That data look like two were on board.
192, we're number 1.
9190 on the 2 call.
6 calling it.
That's it. I'm monitoring. Get dropper out. I'll do 4 cars. 9190, we're still westbound, out the belt here.
Stop.
You're going southbound left over road.
Oh, he's on bail.
Get ready.
Yep.
Civilians who's trying to hit it. It's all going to be westbound coming up with over here. Going to be southbound.
I need to fit him.
Over here.
Fuck! God damn him!
Belvedere. $91.90, I'm going to be the number 1 car. We're going to be eastbound Floral from Belvedere.
1925, get a car with them. I'm Belvedere south of Rob.
Still going to be, we're going to go southbound Rexham where it dead ends.
Did you say 1925?
All right, they're going through the park. I can't get through. They're cutting through the park. Somebody just bailed. The car went westbound. I'm cut off. They're in the park.
Back up, cruiser.
Hey, stop, don't run. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. He's going southbound through the park on the east side of the park. Cruiser, he's coming straight at you on the south side. Hey, just watch. He's out. Hands now! Put the kid down! Put the kid down! Put the kid down! Put the kid down now! Put the kid down! Let go of the kid now! Get on the ground!
Ay, padre mío. Baby, no te dile que es okay, güey.
Check
Baby,
up on 192.
Gondito. Dile que es okay, Gondito. Ay, Gondito.
Get that
Mi
stuff.
baby, mi baby.
Yeah, front, tell me
Yo,
right.
mi padre, yo te porto bien contigo. Dile, Gondito, dile que yo me porto bien contigo. Yo no problem. Yeah, no problem, me baby.
Sit up.
No problem, me baby. No problem, Polly. Me baby, Polly.
Stand up.
Me Polly. Me baby. Vete, Gondito.
Walk over here. Walk over here now.
Love you, baby. Love you. Love you, Gondito.
Stop.
Love you, perrito. Love you, baby, no problem.
Stop. I just patted him down. Baby. Stop. Baby. Yeah, there's a female on the north side. Stop. Okay. Hold still. Still.
You're down here saying that the female not failed in Korea.
No problem. No problem, Paulo.
Wait. Alright, he's good. Wait. He's good.
No problem, me baby won't.
She wasn't trying to run, she just jumped out when he stopped.
Yeah, but I'll just make sure we got it.
Here, you want to go see your mom? Is that your mom? Here, come on. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay.
I don't know.